Hi, hello, and welcome to Food for All. Prepare your own food and taste the best. Today, we are back with another amazing recipe that is veg Manchurian. This is a really interesting recipe. So, let us quickly get into this recipe. Firstly, take half cup of grated cabbage, 2 carrots, put it into a cloth and drain out all the water from it. Once it is done, add boiled potato. This will help it to bind all the ingredients together. Now add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of table salt, 2 tablespoons of corn flour powder, and 2 tablespoons of maida. And then mix it all together and give it a nice spear shape. Now to deep fry them, take a kadai, add oil to this for deep fry. Once the oil is heated, slowly add the Manchurian balls one by one into the kadai. Give it a nice turn and fry them until golden brown. Now repeat the same with remaining all the Manchurian balls. To saute the dish, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into the kadai. Then add finely chopped garlic, green chilies, and curry leaves. Fry them for 30 seconds. Once it is done, add finely chopped onions and let it fry for 30 seconds. Now add 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Once it is done, then add all the deep fried Manchurian balls. And on top of this, add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce again, so that the Manchurian balls are nicely coated with flavor. Now let them toss for 30 seconds. And then finally add coriander leaves, which gives an amazing color to the dish. And toss it for one last time and take it to the serving plate. Believe me, you're really gonna enjoy this. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates from this channel. And also do not forget to watch all our videos from the playlist tab. Thank you for watching.